Hey guys, it's Mr. Graves here. I am going to be doing videos about area, not area, well, basically geometry stuff about area, volume, and surface area. I have to do 8 of them for unit 7. So this is the first video of it. And it's not going to be long. It's going to be relatively short because this is kind of the first video. It's just a review. And a lot of y'all should know this already, but we all have those learning gaps. So let's go over some formulas real fast. I'm gonna slide this over here so y'all can see. So first, number one, I'm gonna do number one in black. We're doing the area. Oops. Come on, Henry. You know better than that. There we go. Area of a triangle. They're playing my favorite song in the background, Linkin Park. Inside, but I will never be all right. All right, so area of space times height divided by 2. That's the formula. So the base is going to be the bottom number. So this is going to be my B. This is going to be my H. Pretty simple, right? So area is going to be, in this case, 35 times the height, which is 17, divided by 2. So get my calculator and do 35 times 17, which is 595. I divide that by 2 to get my final answer. Oops. Oh, come on, Henry. Calculator divided. Oops. See, I'm literally just waking up, so please forgive me. This is 297.5. So when you wake up early, well, to me this is early anyway. Anything before 11 a.m. is early for me. Inches squared, and that's how I do the area of a triangle. So I'm gonna write the formula right here. Area of a triangle is equal to base times height divided by 2. So of course I did 35 times 17 divided by 2, which gave me my answer of 595 divided by 2. And that's how I got my answer of 297.5. So that's the black right there that goes with the area of a triangle. Now I'm moving on. And I'm going to find the area of a, I erase off on the side here. Going to find the area of a parallelogram. Now, a parallelogram, guys, is still a polygon because it's still a closed shape. Okay, it's still a closed 4-sided shape. So I'm going to do area here of a parallelogram. Big word, right? It just means a side has obviously 2 pairs of congruents of equal sides. So you have here 1, right? And 1. So these 2 sides are the same. Then you have these 2 sides here are different. But we're not worried about that. We know the area of a parallelogram is going to be basically length times width. And this is going to be my length. Oh, wait, sorry, no, it should be length times width. Is the bottom. So yeah, it's actually base times height. I'm sorry about that. Let me erase that. That's me being stupid. It's base times height. But it's obviously not going to be divided by 2, obviously. It's just the base times height. So this is going to be my base. This is going to be my height. So I'm going to end up doing 19 times 17. And that give me my answer. So I get my calculator. My big old scientific calculator, 19 times 17 is 323. Now remember, my units is going to be into the second power because anytime you multiply 2 numbers to find the area of something, you're really having 2 dimensions, right? So that's how we do that. So I'm going to write this up here, the area of a parallelogram, and you guys can be able to follow along. So area is equal to base times height. So that's equal to 17 times 19 Because my area is equal to 323. There we go. Simple like that. Okay, now we're done with that part. Let's move on to number 3, where we have to find the area of a rectangle. Oh, Lord. The easy stuff, huh? Area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. So for the area of a rectangle, it's going to be length times width, right? L times W, length times width. This is my length. This is going to be my width. Doesn't matter which one you pick, right? As long as you got one for one of them, 40 times 48. So my area is going to be 40 times 48, which is 1920. Or 1,920. My units is feet to the second power, and I'm done. There we go. Easy stuff, huh? Easy stuff. Now, obviously, our number 4 is the same as number 3, because that's also a rectangle, though they all they did was they turned it sideways, right? So this is going to be my length, or my width. This is my width. This is my length. I'm still going to use the same formula. So my area is going to be 10 times 4, which is my area is going to be 40, right? And of course, now number 5, I know you can't see that number down there on the bottom, but that's 7. So I'm going to be doing this one a little bit different. I'm doing the area of a square on number 5. So the area of a square is equal to s to the second power, or you can say the area is equal to the side times the side. Okay, so in this case, my s is equal to 7. So I'm going to be doing 7 to the second power, or 7 times 7. And either way, I'm going to get 49 as my answer. Easy stuff, huh? Now on number 6, they want us to find the area of a parallelogram. So, oh no, this did not just happen. The heck just happened? Okay, I'm about to say, I thought I was losing my mind for a second. It just went away. That's weird. Sorry, this program can be a bit of a jerkweed sometimes. Okay, so area parallelogram on this side. I'm gonna just go ahead and just write it on the off on the side here. Area of a parallelogram. No, let me just write the whole thing out. This makes more sense. As you can see, I have major anxiety, right? This is base times height. So this is my base. This is my height. So I'm going to end up doing 46 times 23. So my area is going to be 46 times 23, which is 1,053. There we go. Easy, right? Now I'm going to go to the second page, and I'm not going to worry about these first 4 because I already did them already, right? I already did this one here. I know the area was 40 yards because I did 10 times 4, right? To get me 40. This other guy was 49 feet squared. We did that already before because that was 7 times 7. And then this guy here was 1,058 inches squared, okay? Because that was 46 times 23. Now, on number 7, they said, what is the area of the square? So let me actually draw number 7 now because I think it will help people to visualize it, right? So I know this may not look like a square, but really it is. All the sides are equal to 45. So the area of a square, remember we said was s to the second power, and in this case our s is equal to 45. So I'm going to be doing that or S times S. So my area is going to be either 45 to the second power or 45 times 45. And when I do that, I actually do get an answer. I get my calculator, I do 45 times 45, and that gives me 2025. I love that number, by the way. 25 is one of my favorite numbers as a teacher. Because imagine getting paid $25 every single hour to do nothing. That'd be sweet. Oops. There we go. So that's that one. Now, on number 8, we have the one is to find the area of a triangle. So I'm going to draw a triangle in green here, right? And it said the base is equal to 32 inches, and the height, I'm going to call this the height here, is equal to 16. So I know the area of a triangle is equal to base times height divided by 2. They're playing The Offspring in the background. Happy music of depressing times as a kid. Terrible. All right, so here I'm going to end up doing 32 times 16 divided by 2. Now, those of us who are very smart and have good number sense, I know I can divide one of these two numbers. Actually, if I can I divide both numbers or just one of them? Let's see something. 32 times 16 divided by 2. Yep. So if I do half of that, if I do 16 times 8, oh no, that ain't gonna work. Oh, I'm bad. It's 512. 512 divided by 2. And that, of course, is going to give me 128. Oh, sorry, not 128. That's going to be 256. My apologies, 256. I'm done. So that's the video, guys. The first of many to come for Unit 7. Oh my gosh. So now I'll be up till 12 o'clock. I have a session at 12 o'clock, 12 p.m. But that is all. I will work on the second video on this. There's gonna be volume coming up. All right, you guys take care. Okay, see y'all later.